Hello guys, this is Kepler and you're watching my channel. So guys, today I started trading in olymtrade. As you can see, this is my live account, this is demo. I just deposited $10 in it and I took a 20-minute trade, and as you can see here, so 3 minutes we have to wait. That what if we won, we will just the market, oh just crazy, man. This really feeling crazy. I'm a binary.com trader, but this is my first trading in olymtrade, a good platform. So oh wow, see man, just watch the time, man. Yes. I took 2 trades, $5 each, and I just sold these options in Euro USD. Oh, it's so cold here, man. I'm shivering. Wow. There are a lot of guys who always think that I used to trade in demo accounts, but guys, this is real account. If you want to really be successful in binary.com or binary trading, you should have to be patient. You should have to be used higher time frames, not short like 1 minute, 2 minute, just above 5 minutes. That's the reason why most of the binary and forex traders use higher time frames. So guys, 2 minutes left and we will definitely win this trades. Yeah, $10 and we will get $18. Then I will definitely withdraw it, baby. Ho ho. Yes, baby. Market is in my fucking direction, man. Ho ho. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, man. Come on here, man. Come on. Come on. Oh, lower rejection. Oh no. Oh, come on, baby. Time, baby. Please. I just want to win this trade. Come on. Oh God, really? Oh my God. This is a fucking low rejection. Oh, see, what the hell is this, man? Yeah, cool, man. Oops. Yeah, baby, I just want to win, baby. Win, baby. Oh, win, baby. La, win, baby. La, la. I'm crazy. I'm literally crazy person, man. I don't know, but I just fucking love the trading, man. I love trading. I love binary.com. I love binary trading. Yeah, baby. Oh, we have won the first trade here, bitch. Oh, second trade, 15 seconds. Oh my God, yes. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Come on, bitch. Yep, really. Sorry. We have fucking won here. And see the motherfuckers, this is live accounts. Okay, this is refreshing my page. Oh, come on, bitch. Yeah, so this is demo. Okay, and this is real account. Okay, guys. Yo, bitch. As you can see here, I just want to withdraw my funds to my fucking Skrill account. Yeah, bitch. So your fucking payment is in process. So this is a fucking withdrawal. Okay, it's simple, man. I just deposited $10 and withdrawing $18 in just 20 minutes. It's a power of binary trading, man. Yo, trade less, live happy. Yo, bitch.